Talk to him. Talk to him, Hannah. Show him how you're talking. Show him. You're not going to show him? Please. 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 Yes. Come on. Come on. You got to ignore the camera. You got to ignore the camera. Talk. Ooh. 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 Mm-hmm. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Where's Anna? There you go, that's right. Talk to us. What are you trying to... Don't get yourself. What are you trying to tell us? What are you trying to tell us? Okay, you're not done. Did you see those eyes? I saw them. Silly girl. Okay, do an up close for Daddy. I have terrible light here. Say bye, Daddy. Show him. I'm not so sure. You do it with Mommy's hand, you can put your hand in your mouth. That was a gag. You silly girl, tell him bye. Say bye, Hannah. See you later. Yeah, see you later. Yeah, see you later. Say we love you. We love you, Papa. Yeah, say we love you. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye. We like you. And we love you, too. We miss you. Don't we miss him? Yes, we miss him. Love you, Trip.